you ever thought that walking tours were just about following around someone who's holding up an umbrella while they talk through a headset and stopping at tourist stops? Let me show you a new way. Going on the right walking tour doesn't limit your travel, it deepens it. So today, I want to share 4 reasons why walking tours are actually one of the most powerful ways to explore a new city, especially if you care about traveling with intention, connection, and ease. So if you're new here, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul, where we help midlife BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with less stress. Now back to the video. The first reason why walking tours are great is because they give you a layered understanding of a new place. And that's one of the biggest benefits of a walking tour, is that it gives you context about the place. Because a city, it's not just a collection of landmarks, it's layers of history and of culture and of everyday life. And going on a tour with a local guide helps you to connect those dots in a way that's way better than a guidebook can, or that you can get from Googling it. Because your local tour guide can explain to you how the neighborhoods relate to each other. They can share stories behind places so that you can really see a place. And they can help you understand why something matters, not just what it is. So instead of passively seeing a new city, you get to understand that new city. The second reason why walking tours are so great is that they help you feel oriented, not completely overwhelmed. Arriving in a new city, yes, it can feel very exciting, but it also can feel a little disconcerting and a little disorienting. You don't yet know the layout of the land. So what areas feel lively? What areas are quiet? What areas are local? How do people actually move through their day and get from place to place? A walking tour can help you recognize the streets, where things are, and how to get around. And that starts to help you feel more comfortable so that you can start to relax and really start enjoying your vacation. Third reason why walking tours are great is that they help you notice something that you'd usually otherwise walk right past. And that's one of my favorite things about walking tours. They let you see things that you might not otherwise see, because your guide might be able to point out to you a small architectural detail on the side of the building, or they might show you where you can find the cool street art, or they might explain to you the story behind a particular doorway or symbol or corner that you might never have been able to discover otherwise. These are things that you might walk past like a dozen times without realizing their true meaning and their true importance to that particular area. Walking tours help you slow down just enough so that you can notice things. And noticing is where connection begins. That way, the city that you're in, it's not just a backdrop. The fourth reason why walking tours are so great is that they help you to create human connection and presence. Walking side by side with other people instead of rushing through an area or sitting behind like a window or glass, that creates space for connection. Sometimes that connection is with your guide. Sometimes it's with other travelers. Sometimes the connection is just with the place in and of itself. Because walking, it puts you at human speed, not light speed. You get to hear the sounds of the city. You get to smell food from nearby kitchen. Get to observe daily life as it unfolds all around you. And that particular presence, that feeling of being in a place rather than passing through it, that's what many of us are seeking when we travel. And that definitely fits in with the Passport and Soul vision of slow travel. So once you've figured out why you should take a walking tour, then you have to figure out when you're going to take your walking tour. So let's talk about why walking tours work really well towards the beginning part of your trip. Taking a walking tour early in your trip helps you understand the layout of a city. It helps you to get your bearings. It helps you figure out what areas you might want to return back to. And it sometimes can even help you change your plans for the better. Taking a walking tour early in your trip can help you feel informed instead of overwhelmed. So the next thing to consider is the time of day to take your tour, because timing, it definitely matters. Morning walking tours are perfect for, again, orientation, figuring out the streets that are quieter, and then getting a big picture understanding of a location. Afternoon tours often go a little bit deeper, and those are things like food tours, or they might be tours that have a history type of theme, or they might be tours that really focus on art or architecture or culture. And you don't have to get up so early in the morning for one of those kind of tours. And evening tours, now evening time is when a city often shows like its softer, more intimate side. So whether that has to do with the nightlife or storytelling, spaces can often feel completely different after dark. So those, if you want to kind of experience what the place feels like at night, then an evening tour might be for you. So for more information on this topic, check out our video on choosing the right walking tour for you. Because walking tours, they're not just about checking off boxes or being herded around. They're really about understanding a place before consuming. It's about slowing down without missing out. And it's about letting a place reveal itself to you. So when you travel this way, you don't just visit a city, you feel it. And that's when travel becomes something that stays with you long after you return home. So if you've taken a walking tour before, I would love to know, what did it change about the way that you experienced a place? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Passport and Soul, and share it with someone else who's planning their next trip. And until next time, travel slow, travel well, and travel with soul.